Hey traders, today I have an awesome new strategy for you which you can use for your daily scalps. The main factor for having solid entries is the volume, so we're going to include that in this strategy. Let's dive right into Trading View. We're currently on the Bitcoin chart with the 5-minute time frame, so a nice scalping setup. Let's go to the Indicators tab by clicking here. And in the search bar type in EMA and select this one. Now type in Parabolic and select this one of Everget. And the last indicator is going to be the VSA volume, and that's it. First, let's change the settings of the EMA. We will use a length of 200, so type in 200. And in the Style tab, I just like the line to be white, so I'm changing the color. And on the VSA, we also need to change some items. Go to the Inputs tab and enable Show Volume Moving Average. And in the Style tab, we're going to hide colors 3, 4, and 5 because we're not using them in this strategy. And that's it. We're ready to start trading. Let me explain where you can take a long entry. We only want to take trades when the volume is higher than average. That's why we disabled some colors in the VSA. Right here you can see an orange bar in the histogram that goes above the green EMA line. We need this as a minimum to take a trade. The price should be above the 200 EMA line, and we get a buy signal on the Parabolic SAR indicator. Now all the requirements are met, so we can take a position. Set your stop loss on the latest swing low, and target 1 to 1.5 risk to reward. Here are a few examples in a row. Take a good look at it, it's pretty straightforward. Here, we'll take a short position. The volume is high and above the EMA line, and the current price is underneath the 200 EMA, so that's why we're looking for short position. Right here, you also get the sell signals, so everything gives you the confirmation, so let's take a short. Only 5% of you viewers are subscribed. Don't forget to subscribe to see more content every day. I also do daily chart updates with short videos. It's time for me to do the 100 backtests, and after that I'll show you the results. I think this one is going to have great results. Okay, see you after the backtest. The backtest started out really bad, but it climbed back with some nice high profitable wins. It took me 29 days to take the trades on the 5-minute chart. Win rate is under the 50%, but the gain on account is still 9%. It's not a bad strategy for some volume confirmations, but I would not recommend it. Don't forget to like the video if you came all the way to the end. Hope to see you in the next one. Cheers.